Well, just in general, it was the most fun part of my high school career. It was the part that I actually enjoyed, like all the classes that I took. And then it just helped shape kind of the path I wanted to take through high school, following the computer science pathways. Well, it made me kind of realize what job field I wanted to go into. And so that's really helped me decide to go to Portland State to do computer science. Well, I feel like it's valuable for just all people, not just computer scientists, because it teaches problem solving and critical thinking and just creative ways of looking at problems, which is useful for everybody. And so it's just a good way of getting those skills. They're interesting because it's like they're not self-taught, but there's a lot of like figuring things out for yourself. So if you have a problem, you can get help on it, but you get pushed towards finding the answer out yourself. So at the end, you really feel like at the end of a project, you feel like you figured out that project, or you really have a good understanding of the material. Definitely got to be Red Black Tree. Red Black Tree was rough, especially as like the longest project I've ever had to work on, just in school in general, and by far the hardest. So it was just like a big mountain to overcome, kind of almost like a rite of passage for C++ programmers. So it just felt really like gratifying to finally finish it. Like I said, just a lot of, other than just learning syntax and how to actually program, just like how to look at a problem from multiple angles, how to just like deconstruct a problem into smaller bits and pieces, and a lot of just problems, a lot of teamwork, because on like Red Black Tree we're all struggling as a class, so we come together and work on it as a team.